तो बात कुछ ऐसी है कि सबकी एक जैसी। आई होप कि तुम्हें ये वाली वीडियो पसंद आएगी। अगर वीडियो पसंद आती है तो लाइक करके जाना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना यार, वो दोनों बटन तुम्हारे लिए। तुम वीडियोस देखते हो लेकिन सब्सक्राइब बटन नहीं दबाते, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा यार?
You, wow. Hey,
यू लुक लाइक समवन।
me.
या
Who?
अभी बता है भाई।
द गर्ल आई फक बिफोर वन डे।
My English is not so good, but where are you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान।
Ooh, the girl you fucking all around.
That exactly look like your friend.
Yes, I think it was you together.
Yeah, I was in LA. Do you live in Pakistan?
ये फंस गया सी।
No, I am living right now Stockholm.
Can Swedish?
Yeah.
Hello? Nej, hej menar jag.
अब तो सच बोल दे भोसड़ी के।
No, no, I don't understand Swedish because I just came here like 2 months.
Well done.
Oh, why do you live in Sweden?
Oh, I just came here to visit. अच्छा। मैं हैंग हो रहा था बहुत।
Hello,
What's that?
pet.
Why?
I am sick.
Oh, you need me.
Of course.
Just casual or like for a night?
What?
Jag hör inget.
किसी ने नहीं देखा।
कहते ने
क्या चल क्या रहा है ये?
How are you?
How I am?
Yeah,
I'm good.
but you are not looking good.
I'm not looking good,
Yeah,
but I saying I'm good.
but you are not looking good. Why?
Feeling myself good. You're ugly as bitch.
No, I am talking about your
Yes,
face.
you are. Du ser ut som en bajskorv.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
Nobody.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं? भाई ये क्या हो रहा है भाई?
Would you like to do threesome?
बहुत तेज हो रहा है। प्यारी समझ गई।
No?
No.
मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
Hallå, är du inne vid dagen snart?
I saw you.
I saw you too.
Where?
I don't know, when did you see me?
I see you last night in my room.
अबे साले।
In your room?
Yeah,
Bro,
without makeup.
you
And scared. You are without makeup, and when I saw your face, I got scared.
Excuse me, that's so rude.
No, it's not rude. It's you need makeup today. More makeup.
Excuse me, that's so mean.
No, it's not mean.
बोलने दे
Your
तकलीफ
dear
हुआ है
like-
बेचारे को।
Your
बोल,
dear
बोल।
like sucks ass.
Hi. Not possible. Typing is not possible. Why you don't speak? You don't have microphone? Then first buy a mic, then come on Omi TV.
Vad är det?
You need one thing, you know?
You need makeup.
तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा।
Yeah,
No, you need plastic surgery.
tack you. Yeah, you too.
बोलने दे
Fucking monkey.
तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे।
Kid Doris?
No. Because you know why?
No.
Because you need a makeup.
You ugly ass.
I'm telling you the truth. When you do a good makeup, then I'll do a reels.
You look like an ugly fucking donkey.
This, Listen. I'll send you $1,000. You can buy a new ugly.
Look at you.
I'm very.
Nee, vad angst. Hej!
Hey.
Hello,
Do you
mate.
talk English?
Yeah, I like the butt that is behind you.
Ah!